Today we are going to see how to crochet this easy pattern, triangular shawl, using only the double crochet stitches. For this pattern I have used here Himalaya super soft yarn, which comes in 200 gram and 359 yards. They recommend hook size 5, so I have taken here the hook size 5. You can use any of your choice of yarn. So this pattern I'm just showing a small sample. You can increase the rows, you can repeat the 2 row. This is a 2 row repetition pattern. So when you repeat this as many rounds as you want, you will get the desired size for the project. So let's start this project. We'll start this project with the slip stitch. And then we'll make chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we made here 6 chains. Yarn over, count the chain from here. The first one is this one, not the one which is hanging on the hook. So 1, 2, 3, this is the 4th one. Yarn over into this 4th one inside the hook and pull the yarn up. We will get 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 and the second 2. Yarn over into the second chain. Let's inside the hook, pull the yarn through this. We got 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 and then second 2. Yarn over. Now we have here only 1 chain. So inside the hook, into this, pull the yarn up, yarn over, pull through the first 2 and then the second 2. So we just made the first row. Now let's make chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we are going to do the second row. For that, just turn the project, yarn over, same like before, just count 1, 2, 3 into the 4th one inside the hook and then make 1 double crochet and then into the second one inside the hook and make the second double crochet and then into the 3rd inside the hook and make the 3rd double crochet. So altogether we will have here 4 double crochets including these 3 chains. Okay, now we are going to do the slip stitch into the space which we got while we were doing the first row. So let's do this one here. 1 slip stitch, again 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, yarn over into the same space. We'll make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. So we got here 2 rows. It comes like a heart. So the triangle shape is going to form hereafter. So let's make again 6 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just turn this project and then yarn over, count the chain 1, 2, 3, 4 into the 4, 3 double crochet, 1, no, not into the 4th one. 4th one we made 1 double crochet and into the next 1 double crochet, into the 3rd 1 double crochet. So we made here 3 double crochets and then we are going to do the slip stitch into this space here. Okay, and then we'll make an increase. For that we are going to make chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then in this point we are going to do the slip stitch and then same like here we have to do the 3 double crochets. For that 3 chain, yarn over, 3 double crochets, 1 2 3. Then chain 6, turn the project into the fourth, 1 double crochet, sixth, 1 double crochet, into the fourth, fifth and sixth, 1 double crochet. Now we'll make the slip stitch into this. We'll make 3 chain, 3 double crochets into this, and then into this chain space we'll make 1 slip stitch. Again 3 chain, into the same we'll make 3 double crochet, 1 2 and 3. Now we have to do the slip stitch into this space, and then 3 chain, 3 double crochet. So this is our fourth row. First row, second row, third row, fourth row. Now we are going to repeat the third and fourth row. So let's make chain 1 2 3 4 5 6, yarn over into the fourth, fifth and into the sixth. Now in this row, first row, the third row we made 5 chain, fourth row we closed it. Okay, now fifth row we will make the chain. For that, let's first, and then chain 1 2 3 4 5. We'll make the slip stitch into this, and then we'll make 3 chain, yarn over into this, we'll make 3 double crochet, 1 2 3, and then we'll do the slip stitch into this, chain 5, into this point we'll do the slip stitch, and then we'll make 3 double crochet, 1 2 3, yarn over, 1 2 3. We made our next row. Here we got 1 space, here we made 2 spaces. Okay, now let's make chain 6 chains, turn over into the fourth chain, we'll make 1 double crochet, into the fifth we'll make 1 double crochet, into the sixth 1 double crochet. Now let's make the slip stitch into this space, and then 3 chain, 3 double crochet, and then into this slip stitch, 1 2 3, yarn over into this 3 double crochets. Then we'll do the slip stitch into this, we'll make 3 chain, into this space 3 double crochet. Into the space 1 slip stitch, 3 double crochet. And then into the space we'll make 1 slip stitch, 3 chain, 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Got 6 clusters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For the next row, let's make 6 chain, into the 4th we'll make 1 double crochet, into the 5th 1 double crochet, into the 6th 1 double crochet, and then into this we'll make the slip stitch, chain 5, we'll do the slip stitch into the space, slip stitch, chain 5, into this chain, slip stitch, chain 3, to the slip stitch, chain 5, slip stitch, 3 double crochet, slip stitch, chain 5, and to this 1 slip stitch, 3 double crochet, the next round let's make 6 chain, turn the project, into the 3rd we'll make 1 we made here 3 double crochets, to the slip stitch, chain 3, 3 double crochet, slip stitch, 3 chain, 3 double crochet, and then again slip stitch. Hope it is clear for you all. We are just repeating 3rd and 4th row. Initially the first round we will start with these 6 chains, and then we'll turn the project. We'll make a cluster 3 double crochets into the 4th, 5th, 6th, and then we'll do the slip stitch into the next, and then we'll start to do the cluster. Once it is done, we will turn the project, and then we are going to fill that space with the clusters. So it is very easy. Even the beginner can crochet this pattern very nicely. Using this pattern you can make the triangular shawls, which will be very useful for the winter season. So I really hope you all have enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give your thumbs up. Also, if you have any comments or suggestions, you can drop it in the comment section. So if you think it will be useful for any of your friends or family, please don't forget to share with them as well. For more patterns, you can just visit my channel. You will get the blanket patterns, and then crocheting the poncho, all these. Just go through the playlist, you will get all these patterns.